how to set up paycheck deposit or direct deposit on Cash App. In order to set up direct deposit to Cash App, you need to follow these steps. Before that, make sure that the application is completely up to date. Moving on, you need to first of all open the Cash App application and log in. After which, on the bottom left of the screen, you need to tap the icon with the bank symbol or a money bag with the banking tab. So right over here it is. Once you click on the following options, then you could go ahead and select direct deposit. Just tap the direct deposit options. After which, you need to follow the prompt to view and obtain your unique account and routing number for your Cash App account. And once you've actually done it so, you need to provide the information to your employer if that is so. That is, if it is online system, if your employer has an online portal for a direct deposit, you could enter these number directly. And alternatively, it is a paper form, then you may need to fill out a direct deposit form from your employer and provide your Cash App account and a routing number and account to be deposit as well. After which, submit and complete the form to your employer's payroll department. And that is how you could set up a paycheck direct deposit to Cash App. So this is basically how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.